Hello, what is going on? And this is the GSM solution with other interesting videos. Today I will show you amazing iPhone features that you missed out. These features are very useful, but that is underrated. Most people do not use them, or some of them probably do not even know that exists and can do such pieces of stuff on their iPhone. Welcome to the GSM solution family. Let's get the start. You can lock your main menu from here. There is some kind of glitch on iOS or something. When you do that, the screen looks freeze. To complete that process you have to do 2 to 3 times. Go to the search bar and you saw here the microphone icon and edit option. Tap it at the same time, then the screen freeze. To exit from that option is the click on the first dot and swipe up on the search screen. While you record screen from the screen recorder, you record all the screens. If you want some part of the videos by delete other sections. There is the crop option by which you can only crop the selected part of the video and save it. These features are one of the best features of iOS system. While you type a note or message that you have to delete. If you want to delete all, you have to delete keys and press tilde to delete all text. If you have this idea, then you can do it easily. 3 fingers swipe left to undo. 3 fingers swipe right to redo. You can also shake the iPhone to undo and redo messages or text. Did you know that the iOS system allows you to create custom vibration for your ringtones? The system that most of the iPhone users do not know that there you can make their own haptic system with your choice. To set up the vibration pattern, go to Sound and Haptics. Select ringtone. Select vibration. Select custom and create new vibration pattern. Tap on the screen to start, and anytime you touch the screen, record the vibration string that can be added in ringtone later. You can remove the unwanted app from the music section. Most are here for online purposes or paid subscriptions on Apple Music. If you have a subscription, go to settings, search music and tap off on show Apple Music. That makes your some option remove from music. This option can use in offline music. This is one of the features of iOS. This option reduces the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. To set up the reduce motion, go to General. Select Accessibility. Select Reduce Motion and On. This will allow you to fast open the icon with the motion animation. You can lock your notes with the password. No need for any third-party tools. The iOS system allows you to that. So, you can protect your notes. You can drag your application single by single to folder or another page. Did you know that you can move the group of the application with one process? Here the process that you have done. That will amaze you. I think most iPhone users do not know that. Simply press the one application and hold it, the press tap on other applications that collect all applications in one bunch or group. So you can move easily. Did you know that your live photos that can turn into videos? Yes, you are right. By this process you can do that process easier. Choose the image which you can convert and share option and choose save as video. After that, your live photos turn into videos.